Yes, I am.
Okay. Hey, MTS crew, what is going on, y'all? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. I pray that life is treating you well. Sister Pam, don't pray.
Hey. MTS crew, I'm praying for the MTS crew, whatever they're going through, whatever they asking for, that God will bless them.
Yes.
Traveling mercies, because we know it's still summer. We know people take their vacation. Maybe we ask for travel mercy all over the world, wherever the MTS crew is going, and all our family members and loved ones.
Yes,
we just pray for y'all and thanking y'all for encouraging us, and thank you for being able to encourage y'all and to pray for y'all each and every day. In Jesus' name, amen.
Thank you. We love you, MTS crew.
Yes.
We love you with the love of God.
Yes.
And we appreciate you, y'all. And yes, Sister Pam is back from her vacation, but we're not going to talk about the vacation today.
Not just yet.
No, we'll talk about the vacation on Friday.
Yes, we will.
Because Saturday is my birthday. Yeah. And so we'll talk about the vacation.
Birthday girl.
Yeah, and we'll talk about how Sister Pam and I met. And I know that this is a lot of the MTS crew that's been with me for a while. They already know the story. So, but I still, for the new MTS crew, I want to tell y'all and talk to you about how I met my sweetheart right here.
Yes. So is she.
She called me her sunshine.
Oh yeah, she's my sunshine, and I'm the oldest. That's what I know.
She's not the oldest. Well, we'll talk about that later, because we finna get ready to do a salad, y'all.
I'm excited.
And this salad, y'all, it's only 5 ingredients to this salad. And I don't know why they call it a salad, y'all, because it's not a salad, it's a dessert. Okay. But they call it a salad. So have you all ever heard of, or have you ever made the Watergate salad? Have you ever made it?
I never heard of or made it.
She's never heard of it. She's never made the Watergate salad, y'all. I love it, and people usually take it on office parties, picnics, because it was so easy. And if you don't know how to cook, you can make the Watergate salad, because it's no cooking, no anything like that. Yeah, it's a very easy salad to make, and like I say, only 5 ingredients in this salad. Okay. The salad is delicious. It's been around for a long time. It's been around since the Watergate scandal. And I don't know a lot about it, but I know during that time they served this Watergate salad. I think at a restaurant, or they might have served it at the White House. I don't know now. Don't
never know.
Don't hold me to that. But I know it originated during that time. So we're gonna make this easy Watergate salad. It's gonna be easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. And so you about ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm ready to taste, and I'm ready to make it.
You ready to make it? And it's gonna be so easy. Yeah, it's gonna be so easy, sis. It's gonna be so easy, and it tastes so good, and it's gonna be different. And I felt like that it would be a great salad for the summer. And for those of us who don't want to turn the stove on, it'll be a terrific salad. A dessert. And they really, the other name for it is the pistachio pudding salad, because you're going to use pistachio pudding, nuts, So you're going to use that to make it. But after all that scandal, they started calling it the Watergate salad.
That is a name for a salad, I'm telling you.
That's a name for a salad, but it's good, y'all. It's good. So let's make it. So we're going to go ahead and get it made, and then we're going to taste it. I'm going to let Sister Pam taste it. My husband say that he hadn't tasted either. Hey, babe?
No, I haven't.
He hadn't tasted either. I have tasted it. I love it, and I hadn't made it since my children were small. So I decided to bring it back and let y'all taste this Watergate salad. Let's go ahead and get it started. You ready to come with it? Let's come with it. Okay, family, Sister Pam and I, we're getting ready to make this delicious Watergate salad. So we're going to use about a half bag of this coconut. We have nuts. We're going to not use all of these, I don't think. But let's say maybe about a cup of them. Crushed pineapples. Whipped topping. That's a large whipped topping, and I've already used half of it. So we're going to, so you use 1 container of whipped topping. Sister, you give me the whipped topping out of there. This is... how many ounces is this? This is 16 ounces, and this is the 8-ounce one. So this is the one that you're gonna need for this recipe. It's just that I have half amount in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And here's your pudding, your pie filling, pistachio, and if you notice, I have the Kroger brand, which is really inexpensive. So we're going to use the Kroger brand, and then we're going to use the no sugar added crushed pineapples. Try to stay away from as much sugar as you can. Now if you want that sweetness, let's go ahead and get the sugar added, because the pistachio pudding, it has sugar in it. So let's go ahead and y'all get this Watergate salad going. I'll put the recipe down below, and let me know if you tried, and let me know if you like it. You ready for it, sis?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, family, let's go ahead and add our pineapples, and it's in pineapple juice, and this is about an 8-ounce can.
It smells good.
Smells good. That was pistachio.
What's on the pineapple?
Oh, the pineapple. Okay. We'll go ahead and put our pistachio. It look like it has bits of nuts in there. Okay, we just get this all stirred up. And y'all, I didn't know it had the little bits of pistachio nuts, but that's okay. That's fine. So you make sure you get your pudding all mixed up in here real good. Make sure you don't have any powdery spots. You got that, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we'll go ahead and add about a cup of sweet coconut. That's about a cup. Sweet coconut. We're gonna add about a cup of marshmallows. Marshmallows, y'all. This is the small one.
I like the big ones.
You like the big ones? Sister like the big ones.
The giant ones.
And then we'll go ahead and add the nuts. Y'all, the nuts are optional, but we'll go ahead and add them because I love the nuts. Okay. Let's get this all mixed up. It smells good, y'all.
That it does.
Smells good. And you can double this recipe if you like. Okay, let's go in with our whipped topping. Let's get this mixed all in. So, I can't believe you haven't tried that.
I never tried
the
it.
Watergate
I
salad.
haven't even heard of it though. I never tried it.
You haven't? Oh yeah, honey. Everybody take this on picnics with them.
Wow. It'd be another picnic salad then.
Yeah.
Dessert.
It's a dessert. I don't know why they call it salad. And y'all, this is the Watergate salad. And let's go ahead and I'll finish mixing this up, and we'll go ahead and take a bite. Watergate salad, y'all. Okay, y'all, the salad is ready. We're going to drink a little water to clear our palate because we've been snacking.
I got water all on my pan.
That's all right.
Washable.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, so here it is, y'all.
Yes.
Our Watergate salad. And sister's going to take, cheers.
Cheers.
And sister's going to taste it for the first time.
Yep. That's it. That's what we're working with. That's delicious.
Are you for real?
It's very delicious. I see myself eating it.
You can see yourself eating that? You sure?
Oh yeah, for sure. This is delicious. You like potassium and like marshmallows.
You love marshmallows, y'all. She buy them great big marshmallows.
Eat them right by this.
I'm gonna teach you how to make marshmallows from scratch.
This is delicious.
She's not a coconut person, but she eating it.
It's not bad. It's not like you can turn coconut all through. That's why I say it's not bad.
That's why I didn't put that much on. Me, I love coconut. I would have put the whole bag in there.
I still want to taste it. It's good. It's delicious.
You got to be so difficult at times.
Well, yeah, man. I just like the marshmallow. I just don't care too much for coconut. But I eat it. But it's so good. It really is good. You gotta try it.
It's not that sweet. Because
I like this not.
Because I didn't use the
Sweet pineapple.
I didn't use the sweet pineapple, but if you want it a little bit sweeter, Y'all go ahead and use the sweet pineapple.
But to me, it's just right. It's not sweet at all. Got like a hint of sweet.
I think it comes from the pudding and the coconut, sweet coconut.
Yeah. So really, you don't need to add in the pineapple. It's okay if they no sugar. Because you have the sweetness in that.
Well, y'all, let me know down below if you ever tried this Watergate salad. Y'all, delicious, delicious, delicious. If you don't know how to cook, just tell somebody you're going to bring the Watergate salad.
Easy and simple.
Kids will love it.
Can't go wrong with it.
Can't go wrong. But with the nuts in there, it takes you a minute to chew. But it's good. But it's good. So we're going to take our time.
I love pecans.
We're going to sit here and lollygag.
Yep. Enjoy a delicious salad.
Enjoy our delicious salad. Like I say, y'all, I don't understand why they call it salad.
But it's good.
So, I'll put the recipe down and try this. If you try it, let me know. And you know what? Excuse me. I wouldn't put any sweet pineapple in here because it's really on the edge of being sweet.
Yeah, and then it will make it sweeter if you put the pineapple.
Yeah, so no sugar. Pineapple come. It's on the edge of being sweet, y'all. Yeah. So, go ahead and make this and let me know. And do us a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. And any of my videos that you like, our videos, please share them out to your friends, family.
Yes, we don't mind at all.
We don't mind. And it won't cost you nothing. We're not charging.
And we thank you for the newcomers. We thank you for coming to subscribe with us and share with your friends.
And then we'll come back Friday, the day before my birthday. We're going to get our hair done.
Oh, yeah.
We're tired of the slick back.
Oh, yeah.
And we go to the same hairstylist.
This is my first time I think I had to sleep my hair back. I tried to curl it, but it's hard to curl it by yourself.
So we're going to get our hair done. And so we'll come back Friday and we'll do a video and we'll talk about how we met, maybe talk about my birthday and you know what I'm going to do and just have some girl talk.
Yeah, and I talk about my trip.
Yeah, she talk about her trip.
To my hometown, St. Louis.
So she talking about St. Louis, but then she says she's a Georgia peach.
I am. Don't take me for being a Georgia peach. You gotta remember I was born in St. Louis. But then I came here in 96, but I'm a Georgia peach. And I'm a show me state, too. So.
You can't be both.
Who's I can't?
She can't be, we can't be no Georgia peach plus a
Tell
show.
us down below what y'all think.
Y'all think she a Georgia peach? Let us know down below. If y'all think she a Georgia peach, I tell you what I do.
Okay.
I go over to the farmer's market and buy her a basket of peaches.
That's right.
That's what I do.
I'm gonna hold one up with a big meal.
She wants to be a Georgia peach.
What you said I was?
Okay, still. Okay. Love y'all. Try this video very simple.
Yes.
Babe is eating it. How you like it, babe? Huh?
I didn't have a spoonful.
He said, come say, babe. He said he just had a spoonful. So if he just had a spoonful, he's going to get some more.
You like more than a spoonful of me?
Yeah. But it was good.
It was more than a spoonful.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, look at
Yeah, about 2 spoonfuls.
You want to see that tell the tale? Because you said you just had a spoonful. Just say you like it, babe, and you going back for more.
Simple.
Okay, bye, y'all. We love y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.